Good morning, boys and girls. Today we brought back my daughter Monique, and she's gonna help us cook today. So I've been asking you guys for ideas, and one of the ideas was to bring back Monique. Another one was to bring back Max, and don't worry, we will have him back in a video. And one of the requests was to cook, so let's do this. So we've seen this really cool recipe, and it calls for strawberry Nesquik. I suppose you could use chocolate, but it says strawberry. And then it calls for heavy whipping cream. So we're gonna follow the directions and you're gonna see us make pink fluff. Okay, so it says combine strawberry Nesquik and heavy cream to a small bowl. Here you go, Monique.
Thank you.
So I'm gonna take a big giant scoop because, oh my God, you guys, that smells so good. I'm gonna put it in my little bowl. Does it say how much of this to put in there? Oh, half a cup. So we have our tablespoon of Nestle Quick, and Nestle Quick, it smells delicious. We're just following the directions that we have right here. These ones right here. And it doesn't call for chocolate, so we're using strawberry. And then it says half a cup of heavy cream. So this is half a cup. Oh my gosh. Here you go. And then it says combine strawberry Nesquik. It says combine strawberry Nesquik and heavy cream into a small bowl. Use a mixer or a whisk. You guys, this is a whisk, but this is a really tiny bowl, so we're not gonna use this. But we are gonna use a fork. It says mix for 1 to 2 minutes until it becomes thick and fluffy. All right, boys and girls, so we stirred and we stirred and we stirred some more, and we have our pink fluff. So we ended up deciding to put another scoop of Nesquik because it tasted good, but we just thought it needed another tablespoon. And I don't know, if you guys have chocolate at home, totally try chocolate. I bet you it would be really, really yummy. So I'm just gonna taste mine. Oh my God, that's so good. Try yours.
Okay.
Okay. So next, we're gonna have waffles. And this is gonna taste so good on top of your waffle. All right, time for the next recipe. We are making waffles. Not homemade waffles. I had some frozen waffles in the freezer, so we toasted these. Of course, you guys are not gonna toast these yourself. You're gonna have an adult do it with you. But we have peanut butter. We have chocolate chips, because I just happen to have chocolate chips in my cupboard. We have walnuts. We have a banana. And boys and girls, the reason why I don't have a plate and why Monique doesn't have a plate is because we put down plastic on the table and it's easier for you guys to see on the video. So when you guys are making this at home, please use a plate, okay? All right, so what are you gonna do with yours, Monique?
I'm gonna put peanut butter on it, and then I'm gonna put the banana and chocolate.
That sounds good.
Are there no more nuts? Oh wait, yeah.
So I'm gonna take half of my banana and I'm just gonna slice it up really quick. I'm just gonna use my butter knife. I feel like butter knives are pretty safe to use because we use them all the time at school, huh, you guys? And then I have these cute little peanut butter packets. But if you guys have a giant thing of peanut butter, it's gonna work just as well. But I like to have apple slices in peanut butter and celery and peanut butter. So I've got all these little peanut butters. So I'm gonna put peanut butter on my waffle. And you guys, if you cannot have peanuts and you have a peanut allergy, it's perfectly okay. You can use jelly. Or, what else could go on a waffle?
Syrup.
Syrup. Oh, you know what tastes good is whipped cream. You know what would be really, really good is that pink fluff that we just made. I think I'm gonna put that on mine. So I'm putting peanut butter all over my waffle. And I think I'm going to, let's see, let me put all these away. I'm gonna, you know what, I'm gonna make a little teddy bear. Oh, my hands are messy, but that's okay. This is fun. Let's see here. I'm gonna take some chocolate chips. And you guys, this doesn't have to be perfect. You're gonna eat it. So I'm making a little smiley face. You guys, I'm not as artistic as this girl over here. She can draw really good. Huh, Monique?
I'd say so.
So, oh my goodness gracious. That's my final product. Well, no, not really, because I'm gonna put pink fluff on it and then I'm gonna eat him. I'm gonna eat this little, I was gonna make a bear, but I think I'm just gonna make these be the eyes. They're gonna be really strange looking. That's okay. And then, let's see, what else can I put on this? I'm gonna use this pink fluff and I'm gonna put this, I'm gonna put this all the way around because why not? What are you doing to yours, Monique? Did you make yours into anything?
Nope.
Why not, girl?
So I'm gonna eat it.
So Monique chose to not make hers into anything. That's okay. Can you show everybody what you made?
I have bananas and peanut butter and chocolate and nuts on
Oh
it.
yeah, I forgot to put walnuts on mine. Where am I gonna put this? So like mine has a pink beard and a big smile and 2 banana eyes and where should I put this walnut to make it? Oh, that could be his ears. It's gonna be his ears. And this is our finished product. I think next time we'll make a fruit salad, but this is what we did today. This was what we produced, cooking with Monique and Jessica. Bye! How many? How many? 1.